for hot beverages, most of which is coffee. I couldn't fit 40 million cups on a canvas, but I was able to put 410,000. That's what 410,000 cups looks like. That's 15 minutes of our cup consumption. And if you could actually stack up that many cups in real life, that's the size it would be. And there's an hour's worth of our cups, and there's a day's worth of our cups. You still see the little people way down there. That's as high as a 42-story building. And I put the Statue of Liberty in there as a scale reference.
All right, guys, and yeah, that was all I wanted you to see of that video. Again, he's just really talking about the scale of everything and how you really can't comprehend the just mass amounts of waste that we are producing. And so yeah, let's continue. So his books depict his art. He has made 4 books. In Katrina's Wake, Intolerable Beauty, Ashikano, I don't know how to say it properly, but and then Running the Numbers. And all of these books, a percentage of the profits are donated to the focus of the project. So the Katrina book, a lot of the profits went to building back Katrina, or like building the damage that Katrina did, and so forth. So he really is dedicated to his cause. He wants to help people. He wants people to realize everything that's happening. He also has done a couple of documentaries, 2 of which he made himself: Midway 2013 and Camel Gastrolith, and Albatross he made. And the I Am 2010 he was actually just in and a part of. So he felt compelled to, spread his message through these documentaries, and they're actually really great. You guys should go and watch them. They're super powerful, and the camel is just only 5 minutes or something like that. So again, it takes you a minute to think about these things, but he does it, and he loves doing it, and he's super passionate about it. So accomplishing the mission, from 2004 until 2013, he has received 9 awards for his artwork. He has had 13 interviews, whether that was on television or whatever. Most of them are recorded. Some he's got, TV presentations, all that kind of stuff, like a clip of what we just saw. He has spoken publicly about his artwork 130 times, and he is doing, I can't even count the amount of times of exhibits he's done. He actually did some in 2019, recently in February. So he's still very active in all of that. He did, when he spoke about his work and about the issues that he wants to bring forward, he does that in universities. He's been to Harvard. He's just been all over, and he goes to festivals. He goes, wherever they want him, but he really does want to spread this message, and he obviously is doing a great job at that. And that is my works cited. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you learned a lot about Chris Jordan, and maybe you should go check out his work. All of his artwork is super awesome, and you can go check it out online at chrisjordan.com. But yeah, hope you guys have a great night, and thank you so much.